A revolutionary counter-drone system developed by Ukrainian specialists at the Yuzhnoye Design Bureau is capable of disabling drones at a great distance using pulsed electromagnetic radiation. This technology is designed to counter the growing threat posed by unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, which are increasingly used for reconnaissance, cargo delivery, and military operations. The system operates by emitting powerful electromagnetic pulses that interfere with a drone's electronics, causing it to fail or shut down almost instantly. The generator works similarly to the effect of an electromagnetic pulse from a nuclear explosion, but in a controlled and localized manner. Once a drone enters the system's range, its electronic circuits are overloaded, making the drone uncontrollable or completely inoperable. This technology is particularly effective against smaller drones like quadcopters, which are commonly used for surveillance or attack missions. The system is housed in a mobile container, making it easy to transport by truck for quick deployment in the field. It can also be installed permanently to protect critical infrastructure. The counter-drone system offers great flexibility, making it suitable for military bases as well as civilian sites such as airports, stadiums, or any location where drones pose a risk. The technology has the potential to be adapted to various tasks, and work is already underway to develop portable versions for smaller units or individual operators. With the increasing use of drones in various sectors, electromagnetic radiation-based counter-drone systems have immense potential. They offer an effective and immediate solution for neutralizing threats and can be integrated with other technologies like radar to automatically detect and disable UAVs.